Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching. In this video I actually have a few things to do. We need to clean the bathroom, which you can't really see much of the mess, but it is really gross. The kids' room, I'm going to vacuum the couch and just get this place back into shape. You may be wondering what I use to clean my counters. If you've noticed, I actually do use dish soap. It's antibacterial. I feel like it's just a mild clean, and I don't like to wear out the finishes on the hardware like the sink faucet and stuff. I've found that it cleans very well. I clean my bathtub with it, my countertops, and I absolutely love Norwex microfiber. It is durable, it's strong, and you'll see a lot of the times, like as I'm doing now, I'm wiping down with just 2 cloths, and my mirror is beautiful when it's done.
Is that tears that I feel up with emotions? Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. Thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. Oh, baby. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You left me here.
If you've noticed, we keep a very minimalist decor. We are working on, more furniture, bulking things up a bit, getting in line with our decor around here, because we just moved in not too long ago. But I like to keep a very minimalist, almost like a mid-century modern type look. I think it's easier to clean and not just functionality, but I actually enjoy the look. Hopefully I can share more with you guys as the year goes on.
Got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold.
That's it for this week's short video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Leave me some love in the comments. Find me on Instagram. All links will be in my bio. Thanks.